The main reason you make videos and upload to YouTube is to make YouTube an income stream. And to start earning money on YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. These numbers seem really high, but you can reach these requirements by following these simple steps or methods I am about to share with you to get a lot of views on your channel, which is the only way you can reach the requirements YouTube needs you to meet before you can start earning money. The first and basic way to get views on YouTube is by picking a niche and making videos based on that. A niche is simply the subject topic your channel and videos you make are basically centered on. You can pick a niche based on your talent, which is what everyone, even YouTube, recommends that you do. It is also recommended that you pick a niche based on your knowledge and experience in any field, or you can blend the three of them together if they resonate with each other. If you have visited my channel, then you can see that I have begun to shift my niche and focus from tech tutorial videos to YouTube education content for beginners. Simply because I have been on YouTube for a total of 4 years now and still haven't been monetized. So I want to share my experience and knowledge on how to get monetized in the shortest possible time. And this is because I have the knowledge and experience when it comes to the frustration small content creators go through when they see low views on their channel. I could have made videos based on my passion, which is gaming, and I have some videos on that, but no. I decided to make videos on YouTube education for beginners, with those videos based on that niche gaining a spike in views than my channel's average or than any other video I've made based on my niche. When picking a niche on YouTube, you should also be picking a niche within a niche to be specific, so that the YouTube algorithm knows who to exactly push your content to. But I will talk about that in a different video, so kindly subscribe to this channel to get notified when I release that video. The second and most important way to get views on YouTube is to be consistent when it comes to uploading videos. Uploading videos consistently is basically uploading videos regularly, and it doesn't have to be on a particular fixed date or time, but it can be maybe uploading at least 3 videos in a week or once a week, and that is a good practice. Reason for this is that if you upload consistently, the YouTube algorithm will see your channel as an active channel and recommend your videos and channel to new and new audiences on a daily basis. From my channel's analytics, you can see that ever since I started uploading consistently and not being dormant, my channel has started to gain a spike in views, even if not high than when I wasn't uploading consistently. One thing you should know about YouTube is that you do not see success quickly, because it is a platform where millions of other creators like you are also trying to turn it into an income stream. But if you have patience, you would reach that goal you have set for yourself. Picking a niche and also being consistent on YouTube is not the only sure way to get more views on YouTube. Also, creating eye-catching and curious thumbnails is a sure way of making it on YouTube and getting monetized quickly. For sure, a beginner YouTuber like you do not have any experience when it comes to graphic design, so thumbnails for your very first few videos wouldn't be attractive. Looking at the thumbnail for my very first videos, you can see I wasn't even creating thumbnails, and if I was, they really sagged. But now I make thumbnails that spark curiosity, like this video here, which talks about the big mistakes beginner YouTubers are doing that is killing their channel. The picture of the man on the thumbnail looks hilarious, which will spark the curiosity of whoever sees it toward the video to find out what the video is about. And you can see from the analytics of that video that due to the thumbnail, it has made almost 1,000 views, which is insane, especially for this channel. You do not have to waste 3 to 4 hours crafting a thumbnail for your video. A simple thumbnail that tells the message the video is perfect to get views on YouTube. This video here, which talks about the truth big YouTubers don't tell small creators, has a simple thumbnail which directly and quickly tells the viewer what to expect in this video. This simple thumbnail has caused this video to get a spike in views in less than 5 days than any of my other videos on this channel. Than this video, which has a complicated thumbnail which I spent more than 3 hours making, having nowhere near the views of my other videos with the simple thumbnails. Let me know what you think about these methods I have shared which helps get views on your channel. If you have watched the video to this point and enjoy something new, I recommend you like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you also want to learn about the truth big YouTubers don't tell small channels, which is causing them their success on YouTube, I will leave that video on the end screen and another video that would be automatically recommended by YouTube. See you next time. Peace out. Love you all.